if you're trying to launch Genshin Impact on your device and you get this error message which say initialization failed, unknown error, the game will now close. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. Now these are the fixes that work for so many people. Now the first thing you need to try, close the game and the Hoyoplay launcher. Then try connecting to a different network, such as using a mobile hotspot or a different Wi-Fi network. After that, to relaunch the game. So close the game and the Hoyoplay launcher. Now to close the Hoyoplay launcher, you can just come here. You'll see the Hoyoplay launcher. Make sure to select this close. Then after closing, ensure that it's not running on the system tray here. So if it's not running on the system tray, after that, try to connect to a different network, such as using a mobile hotspot or a different Wi-Fi network. After connecting to a different network, then try to relaunch the game to check if the issue has been fixed. If you are still experiencing the same issue, try repairing the game files in the launcher. To repairing the game files on the launcher, now on the Hoyoplay launcher, you'll see an option here on the 3 lines. Click on it, then click repair now. Then wait for the repairing to finish. After the repairing has finished, try to relaunch the game to check if the issue has been resolved. If you're still experiencing the same issue despite repairing the game files, now try this. If these steps didn't work for you, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the game. Many people have reported that the game worked fine after reinstalling. Although it may take some time to download the game files, it's worth trying. Now, I actually saw this. Someone recommended this. Someone was facing the exact same issue from the Genshin Impact subreddit forum, and then they recommend to just reinstall the game. As you can see here, I tried a bunch of fixes that didn't help. I ended up fully uninstalling and reinstalling, and it seems fine now. Take a while though, so you can try to reinstall the game. But first, before trying to reinstall, you can try these 2 fixes first. Let me know in the comment section if it has helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.